Hi, Dr. Caps. I am going to show you my elephant toothpaste experiment that I did. So here it is. It made a little bit of a mess, and as you can see, I did it about 5 minutes ago. There was all my supplies and everything. I could only find the 3% hydrogen peroxide, which I was a little bit bummed about because watching the videos, it seemed like it's a whole lot more fun and cool looking when you use the higher concentration hydrogen peroxide. And I also could not find the potassium iodide, and so I used just the instant yeast from the grocery store. So basically what happened is in my procedure, I put a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, I'd say probably about a fourth of a cup, into the glass, like a glass cup. And then I mixed in a whole bunch of dish soap, which really doesn't do anything. It just makes the gas that's released turn into bubbles. And then I added a couple of drops of purple, green, and blue food coloring into the mixture, and I got some hot water and activated the yeast, and I put it in the cup, and it pretty quickly, but not a whole lot of mass happened, but overflowed kind of in a volcano. And basically what happened when I added the yeast was the hydrogen peroxide broke down the water and oxygen and turned the oxygen into gas, which was then caught by the dish soap and made into bubbles, which makes that foam consistency that we saw in the experiment. Basically, typically the decomposition of the water and oxygen would happen pretty slowly, but that's what the yeast is for. The yeast is a catalyst that sped up the reaction time of the experiment. And so I wish that I could have used the iodide ion instead, because it would have acted as a faster acting catalyst. And so, yeah, and then wanted to add that this reaction is exothermic. Since I did use a low percentage hydrogen peroxide and just the yeast, I did hover my hand over and feel that it was a little bit warm. There were some gases coming off, which was the oxygen, and I touched the outside of the glass and it was warm. And so, yeah, I think that is everything. It's an exothermic reaction. The catalyst, the H2O2, decomposes into water and oxygen. I showed you my experiment, so I think that's everything. Hopefully I can get this to upload correctly. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great weekend.